Hey guys, how are you all doing? Nice to see you once more time here. Finally, I had the time to finish my newbie review on the Meepo V3 electric skateboard. And let me tell you, it's really sad that these things are not allowed here in Germany because it's a blast to use them. I had so much fun with the electric skateboard while making this review that you cannot imagine it. I have never been a skater, and this was the first time that I used a skateboard in my life. So the first test was going really slow, trying to figure it out, how everything works. But after only a couple of hours, I was already cruising around at over 16 kilometers per hour and even holding my camera and vlogging while riding on it without any problems at all. The Meepo V3 is a 96 centimeter long and 22 wide. This is a hub-driven electric skateboard and not a belt-driving one, what basically makes both of the back 19mm wheels into two 540 watts motors. The construction is made of maple with black finish on the board and on the grip tape. I also have really good positioned handle that facilitates to take it around and handle it around. I have read a lot of people that complain that the board and the trucks are really stiff. But me as a beginner, I didn't have any problems at all with it and the way it handles, except for the occasional tight turn which can be a little bit difficult. Just a small reminder guys, that if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notifications bell and smash that like button if you like the video. That's really helped the channel out to bring you more reviews like this one. This electric skateboard is not waterproof or even water resistant. But anyway, I will not recommend using it even when the floor is just a little bit wet, because of the increased risk of injury or an accident when it's not so much grip on the surface. And the control feels really responsive. I have never had any pairing problems or any noticeable lag while using it. And one thing that I really like is the screen on the controller, where you can see the speed at which you're cruising around, the remaining battery life of both the controller and the board, and in what of the four models you are right now, and even have an odometer to know how much kilometers have you ride on it. As of the modes, the Meepo V3 have 4 different modes. The low, that is perfect for beginners like me, it limits the speed to around 11 kilometers per hour. When it's in the middle mode, that limit is to around 20 kilometers per hour, and then you have the high and pro modes. As a beginner, I find the modes really helpful, so you don't have to be worrying that you can handle the speed and the acceleration when you are just starting out and learning. And believe me, you don't want to get caught off guard with the higher settings, because it increases not only the speed, but also the torque of it. It has an advertised maximal speed of around 46 kilometers per hour. But to tell you the truth guys, I have never passed from the mid mode, so I can really comment on that. But for what I see, and I have use of the board, this Meepo V3 is really capable of it. And the real reason that I buy this board was because I was planning to use it to save some gas and to help with the environment a little bit. But as mentioned in another video, I will leave the link so you can watch it, they are not allowed to use on public streets here in Germany. And that is a shame, because I really enjoyed my time with it and I'm really going to miss it when it's gone. But I cannot use it, so I have to give it away. The model that I have an advertised range of around the 12-13 kilometers mark, what is perfect for me because of the previously mentioned reason, and I work around 6 kilometers away from home. But if you need more range, you can buy for $200 more a bigger battery that can give you around the 24 kilometers mark with one charge. My model needed around 2 hours to fully charge. That is what I think of the Meepo V3, especially if you are a beginner and you are considering this board. I can make nothing more than recommend it. This is an amazing and easy to use and to learn electric skateboard. It's perfect to start out. One thing to keep in mind is the shipping times. They suck, because it comes from the factory in China, so if you choose the standard and free shipping, can be long time until it arrives. I had to wait For mine, almost 2 months from the day that I buy it until the day that it came finally here. And for what? To not be able to use it here in Germany. Why Germany to make these things? Why? So guys, I hope you have really enjoyed the video and the review on the Meepo B3. And just as a disclaimer, not Meepo, nobody paid me to make this review. I buy the board myself and at the end I cannot use it. So this is only my honest opinion about it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and like the video if you like it. And like always guys, see you on the next time. Bye bye. Ah, you were thinking I forget to read your comments, nah? No, I didn't forget. Hello. Autofocus, focus. Let's take now a look at the comments that you guys wrote me up on the last video that I published. FastStart78 say, well done, I didn't even know that The Witcher was a gamer himself. Yeah, that's why he wanted so much to take the part of playing The Witcher on the Netflix series, because he played all of the games and he loved them so much. And Mixlody, thank you for doing a reaction video. I didn't even know that he built his own PC until I saw it, right here on your channel. He did great for a first-time PC builder, and the thermal paste would always be a daunting part of the PC build for a first-timer. Great reaction video, man. Thank you very much. Yeah, I also think that the thermal paste is a little bit difficult to do when you are a beginner, but pretty much he did really good, except to use the applicator for the thermal paste. That is a disaster. You don't really need this. Now is the end, guys. See you in the next time. Bye bye.